Yes, students, on the basis of previous topic, okay, ionization enthalpy, that is the last period video. Okay, we are going to see general variations in ionization enthalpy in the periodic table. Okay, so the first one is in a group. Okay, remember this is what general variation, okay, without exception. In a group moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. Ionization enthalpy decreases. Now, what is the reason? So we can call it explanation. Okay, as atomic size increases, so nuclear attraction force decreases. So removal of electron becomes easier. Isn't it? This is in a group. And the second one is along a period. Okay. Along a period means what? On moving left to right in a period, ionization enthalpy increases. This is what? General trend increases. Now, what is the reason behind it? So we can say as number of proton increases by 1 regularly. So nuclear attraction force gradually increases. Okay, so removal of electron becomes difficult. So removal of electrons becomes what? Difficult. Means now more energy is required to remove electron. Are you getting? So this is one beta. This is the, again I am repeating, general trend. Okay. On the basis of it, if you are asked the question, okay, arrange following in increasing order of ionization enthalpy. Okay, and the question is B, okay, C, okay, N. B, C, N, that is boron, carbon and nitrogen. So what we have to do? We have to write its atomic number. What is atomic number? 5. What is atomic number of carbon? 6. What is atomic number of nitrogen? 7. And they belongs to same period. So the nuclear attraction force in nitrogen is very high. Therefore, its ionization enthalpy will be very, very high. Getting? So what we can write? They belongs to same period. Okay. As nitrogen is having large number of proton. Okay. So its nuclear attraction force is what? Highest. So its ionization enthalpy is what? Highest. What? Highest. So the order is what? So the order is what? B, then more for C, and then highest for nitrogen. So in this way you can give the answer. Okay. Now suppose we are asked next question. Okay. Question. Arrange in increasing order of ionization enthalpy. Okay. And which elements are given there? Suppose the elements are given there, say what? Sodium, say what? Potassium. Getting? Then suppose it is given magnesium and it is given lithium. Now the four elements are given. You have to compare. So what you have to do? First you make what? A virtual table, that is showing their position. So student, you know that the lithium belongs to first group, sodium also belongs to first group but it is down to the lithium, and potassium also belongs to first group, again this is down to the sodium, but the magnesium fourth element is present in the same period of sodium, So now on the basis of this general trend or general variation, what we can say? Down the group ionization enthalpy decreases. So which element is present very down as compared to other? Say potassium. So we can write here what? Potassium will have lowest ionization enthalpy. So you do start from the lowest ionization enthalpy is of potassium. Then as compared to potassium, now the ionization enthalpy will be little larger of sodium and magnesium. But sodium magnesium belongs to same period, having same number of shell. But the magnesium has more proton as compared to sodium. That means the ionization enthalpy of magnesium will be higher as compared to sodium. Therefore first there will be the position of sodium, then little higher will be of what? Magnesium. And now the lithium have only two shell, and being it has two shell only, the nuclear attraction force is strongest and it is present in the top of the group, and we know that along the group ionization enthalpy decreases, but it is present in the topmost, therefore the ionization enthalpy of lithium will be the highest. So in this way you can give the answer of the question, but again I am repeating, this is the general trend, and on the basis of general trend, generally we are not asking question because anybody can give the answer of such questions. We will ask the question which will depend on the other dominating factors. Student, we have 5 types of factor of ionization enthalpy. We are here dealing only 2 factor. On the basis of this, the answer is correct for this particular question. But I am going to check some more question where you can check this general trend will not work, but we have to check the other factors.